Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best rowing machines you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. You're not simply interested in getting in shape, you want everything to be as chiseled, toned, and gorgeous as possible. Rowing machines provide a full body workout by targeting the legs, calves, biceps, pectorals, triceps, and other muscles. We've identified the greatest rowing machines to keep you in peak physical form, as well as a complete guide on the do's, don'ts, and all the burning questions you've had for ages. I have prepared this video guide for the best rowing machines, so let's get started. 3. Concept2 Model D Indoor. The Concept2 Model D indoor rowing machine is the gold standard. When it comes to vehicles, it's a Rolls Royce. When it comes to watches, it's a Rolex. Buy the Concept2 Model D if you want the greatest indoor rowing machine for your home gym and money isn't an issue. If you've ever been to a high-end gym, you've probably seen these machines. What makes it so good? The major reason, undoubtedly, is the build quality. It's precisely put together, so when you row at full force, the machine doesn't move at all. This is critical if you want your repetitions to be consistent. Another reason for its popularity is that it includes a PM5 performance monitor incorporated into the design. This isn't the most visually appealing fitness monitor on the market, but it's extremely simple to use and gives trustworthy performance statistics. 2. Stamina Body Track Glider 1050. A nice rowing machine does not have to cost thousands of dollars. The Stamina Body Track Glider 1050 is a low-cost, high-quality rowing machine that is ideal for your home gym. It's not extremely high-tech, but the natural range of motion simulates rowing in real water. You may accomplish the same results with this machine as you would with a high-end rowing machine if your form is good. You may change the intensity of the workout by turning the dial underneath the rowing machine. It contains textured foot plates and straps to help keep your feet secure. Furthermore, the seat is contoured and has plenty of padding, making for a really pleasant ride. 1. Sunny Health and Fitness. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7515 rowing machine has a manual magnetic resistance mechanism similar to that seen on magnetic upright bikes. Because of this function, you don't need to connect it to a power source and alter the resistance level, merely spin the resistance knob to move the magnetic pad closer or farther away from the flywheel, which has 8 different levels. As a general rule, levels 1 to 5 provide little resistance, making them ideal for novices who want to undertake light aerobic activities. Levels 6 through 8 are appropriate for more experienced rowers. However, while it is appropriate for pros, it is best suited for novices because it lacks the natural sensation of an air or water rower, as do the Concept2 rowing machines. Nonetheless, it provides efficient aerobic exercise options for building muscle and burning calories. So guys, this was the video about the best rowing machines. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.